Bullish Near protocol cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of $7.71 and $16.80 by 2030. Market examiners accept Near could reach $7.71 by 2025. Bearish Near protocol market cost expectation for 2022 is $1.37. Near protocol presentation. Since its modest starting points with a little group in San Francisco, Near protocol has in no time developed to collaborate with a portion of the business top alliance, performing on a vertical direction since its beginning. With the declaration of an aggressive program to pull ahead in the crypto game and set the basis for Web 3.0, the Near network is drawing in a lot of consideration. In this Near protocol survey, we'll assess the organization's key elements, alongside specialized examination and our near future cost expectations. What is Near protocol? Near protocol is a layer 1 public evidence of stake blockchain zeroed in on building client and designer well-disposed stages. The protocol was established in 2018 by Alexander Skidnov and Ilya Polisukhin, who recently held jobs in significant organizations like Microsoft and Google, consolidating their previous experience to its most noteworthy benefit. The pair at first had dreams of an AI project, however, ended up floating towards blockchain innovation. Before long, the Near protocol was conceived as a savvy contract-fit blockchain. Near was intended to have dapps and spotlight on ease of use, contending with other brilliant agreement-empowered blockchains like Ethereum and EOS. Near has consolidated a few elements to uplift ease of use and client comfort. For instance, the stage permits clients to communicate with brilliant agreements and dapps without requiring a wallet and consolidates comprehensible record names close by crypto wallet addresses. One of Near's most aggressive projects is to make a permissionless, open, decentralized web a space where no organization, individual, or government can intercede. Near intends to stand separated from different stages like Meta, which it considers a one-sided, shut environment, and on second thought make a space where clients have the ability to control their own information. Near's answer is named the local area cloud, where clients can securely get and execute resources, personality, and cash without requiring authorization or outside stages. Near protocol has its own local token called Near, which is utilized to pay for capacity and exchange expenses on the stage. Near approves and settles exchanges as well as gets the organization against malware and false action by boosting validators with Near crypto tokens. With the Near protocol expected to explode further from here on out, the symbolic worth is probably going to stick to this same pattern. Near protocol principal examination. While Near can measure up to existing stages like Microsoft Sky Blue or Amazon Web Administrations, it has an interesting selling point. With the disseminated number of validators, the Near network is gotten with no weak link. This forestalls hacking, altering, and information misfortune, and furthermore counters different shortcomings regularly found in most halfway controlled cloud stages. The Near protocol's essential objective is to enable clients to recover control of their resources, information, and administration. Near protocol specialized examination. Since its send-off in August 2020, the Near network has gotten backing from numerous eminent names in the business, like the legitimate entrepreneur Reserve Andreessen Horowitz. It has likewise collaborated with other conspicuous names, for example, Blockchain Adventures, Tiger Worldwide, Meta Web Adventures, and Ainsville Labs. Different associations like Kurtosis, Motion, Mintbase, and Paras have additionally effectively utilized Near to fabricate reasonable, fast, and decentralized open market protocols. Close by the $350 financing round drove by Tiger Worldwide, prompting huge cost appreciation for Near crypto holders. On the off chance that Near's set of experiences of close organizations proceeds, the coin's worth will probably take off altogether from here on out. Near protocol current cost. Near protocol is right now worth $1.71 USD. Near has moved 0.27% as of now with an exchanging volume of $36,894,457. Near protocol is right now positioned 33 among all digital currencies with a market capitalization of $1,432,685,151 USD. Using the general strength list, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal, and moving normal combination dissimilarity from the diagram above, we can decide cost designs for Near protocol to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Near protocol value expectation 2022. Near protocol, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing digital forms of money to rise this year. The Near cost figure for 2022 expects a huge expansion in the year's last part, potentially coming to $2.57. Likewise with other digital currencies, the ascent will be continuous, yet no extensive drops are normal. Averaging $2.40 in cost is very aggressive. yet it is practical in the near future given expected coordinated efforts and progressions. NEAR is supposed to have a base worth of $2.06. NEAR Protocol Value Expectation 2023. In 2023, NEAR Protocol near cost expectation has a lot of space for extension. Because of the expected declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of NEAR will before long outperform $4.29. Notwithstanding, we ought to stand by to check whether the NEAR's overall strength file emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, NEAR will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $3.43 and a typical exchanging cost of $3.77. NEAR Protocol Value Expectation 2024. Assuming the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach $6 and NEAR may benefit. In the event that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. NEAR is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $5.49 and a low of $5.14 in 2024. NEAR Protocol Value Forecast 2025. On the off chance that NEAR Protocol effectively supports market feeling among digital currency devotees, the NEAR coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, NEAR will be green in 2025. The NEAR is supposed to reach and outperform its record-breaking high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual cash will be valued at $7.71, with a base cost of $6.86 and a typical cost of $7.20. NEAR Protocol Value Expectation 2026. After some broad determining and specialized examination, we gauge the NEAR cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $8.91 by 2026, with a base cost of $8.57 anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, NEAR has a most extreme value worth of $9.43. NEAR Protocol Value Expectation 2027. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2027, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $10.63. On the off chance that NEAR figures out how to break the safe level in 2027, we could see a most extreme cost of $11.14. Neglecting to assemble the help NEAR needs by 2027 could bring about a low of $10.29. NEAR Protocol Value Forecast 2028. While NEAR is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to rush association, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been set at $12 and a yearly cost close above $12.86 in 2028. NEAR Protocol Value Expectation 2029. By 2029, NEAR Protocol will at last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost levels. The base cost could be $13.71 and possibly arrive at a most extreme value worth of $14.57, averaging out at $14.06. NEAR Protocol Value Forecast 2030. The digital currency market is known to be profoundly unstable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost determining is a troublesome errand. Makes an honest effort to conjecture future costs with accuracy. But all forecasts ought not be taken as monetary counsel, and you should DYOR. In 2030,